You're looking at that photo on your phone again, aren't you?
I can't help it. It was just such a breathtaking experience.
Let me see. Oh, wow. Is that Angkor Wat at sunrise?
That's the one from my trip to Cambodia last year. It was a truly once-in-a-lifetime moment.
That's a perfect topic for our conversation today. So many people dream of visiting Angkor Wat. Let's talk about what it's really like.
Absolutely. And for our viewers, if you're ready to travel with us through conversation, make sure you're subscribed.
So, that sunrise picture, was it as magical in person as it looks?
Even more so. You have to wake up incredibly early while it's still dark, but it's completely worth it.
What's the atmosphere like? Is it quiet and peaceful?
It's surprisingly quiet, even though it's packed with people. Everyone is just watching in awe as the temple's silhouette appears against the colorful sky.
The silhouette? You mean the dark shape of the temple against the bright sky?
Exactly. And the temple reflects perfectly in the water in front of it. It's a photographer's dream.
I've heard Angkor Wat isn't just one temple, but a huge area. Is that right?
Yes, that's a key thing to understand. Angkor Wat is the main, most famous temple, but it's part of a vast archaeological park.
So it's like an entire ancient city of temples.
That's a great way to describe it. The whole complex is huge, stretching over 400 square kilometers.
Wow, you can't possibly walk all of that. So how do you get around?
The most popular way is to hire a tuk-tuk driver for the day.
A tuk-tuk, that's like a small three-wheeled taxi?
Yes, and it's perfect. It's open air, so you get a nice breeze between temples, and the drivers know all the best routes.
Do they have set routes?
They do. Most people do the small circuit on one day and the grand circuit on another. They are pre-planned routes that cover the main temples.
That makes it so much easier to plan.
It really does. You just sit back and enjoy the ride through the jungle roads.
It sounds like an adventure in itself.
It is. So, besides the main Angkor Wat temple, what was another one that stood out to you?
I've seen photos of a temple with giant stone faces. Which one is that?
Ah, you mean the Bayon Temple. It's my favorite. It's famous for its hundreds of serene and smiling stone faces.
Serene? You mean calm and peaceful?
Exactly. Walking through it feels very mysterious and spiritual. It's unlike anything else.
And what about the temple from the Tomb Raider movie? The one with the giant trees?
That's Ta Prohm. It's incredible. The jungle has literally taken over the temple.
So the pictures are real? With massive tree roots growing over the stone walls?
Absolutely real. You see these giant overgrown roots snaking through the ancient stones. It shows you the power of nature over time.
It sounds like every temple has its own unique personality.
They really do. You can spend hours just exploring the detailed carvings on the walls, called bas-reliefs.
Did you hire a guide to explain the history?
We did, and I highly recommend it. The guide brought the stories on the walls to life. Without him, we would have missed so much context.
That's a great tip. What's another practical tip you would give to someone visiting?
It gets incredibly hot and humid. You need to drink a lot of water to stay hydrated.
And what about a dress code? They are religious sites after all.
Yes, a very important point. You must dress modestly to enter the main temples.
So no shorts or tank tops. That's about showing respect for the sacredness of the place.
Precisely. It's a small effort to make for such an amazing experience.
It sounds like a trip that is both visually stunning and culturally rich.
It is. It's not just a tourist attraction. It's the heart and soul of Cambodia. It's absolutely mind-blowing.
Let's do a quick recap of the key vocabulary we used today.
We learned breathtaking, a vast complex, a tuk-tuk, serene faces, and overgrown ruins.
All fantastic words to describe such an incredible place. Thank you for sharing your experience, Jake.
My pleasure. Now, we want to hear from our viewers. What is the most amazing historical site you have ever visited? Let us know in the comments.